Alright, so we got this 69 Nova here. We got it all apart, we got it in the garage and everything. We're gonna get to work here pretty soon. So if you guys look, we got the seats out. We kind of cleaned the inside out, but we got the vacuum coming, so we're gonna fully clean out the inside. There's nothing left of this car at all. It's disgusting. I can't describe the smell in it. Horrible. Doors are all screwed up. So a lot of stuff came out of the car. So the last time this car was used was 1984. Look up here, no headliner or nothing. Just cars and here's the driver's sign. Yeah, like look at these doors. It's disgusting. You got rat or mouse fucking homes and everything in here and fucking everything. But we diagnosed it's a 4-speed. So I mean, car's not in the best shape, but we're gonna get it going. Get working on it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Here it is. Hopefully within a year and a half we got it all done, all painted, all ready to go and get driving. Hopefully it's sooner than that though, but yeah, this car is a complete mess. Alright, so after a couple of hours, we got it completely cleaned out. So we cleaned out all the rat feces in there, and the rat feces all in the door jams. We got the car pretty cleaned, and this is going to be able to let us get started on figuring out if the floorboard's all rusted out or any additional things we add to the car. The reason we cleaned it out is because we're getting it bead blasted. So, car's much cleaner than it originally was. There's not dog crap or mouse crap all over the place, and it's pretty disgusting. So, that step's done of our million-mile journey that we got.